Hey there, welcome to another completely free drum lesson. And in this lesson, in the last lesson, I covered some basic rhythms and then some some single stroke. Now with single strokes, if you remember, just but they're nothing without accents. Now I'm going to play them on the tom because you can get something really nice going here. So what we're going to do is we're going to accent the first 16th note. So we've got 1 and 2 and, okay? 1 and 2 and, 1 and 2 and. Making the accentuated note really loud, but the other notes really quiet. Now the next stage is to actually put the accent on the second 16th note. So you've got and then we're going to go, you guessed it, the third one. So you've got and on the fourth. Now I'm going to leave you to really get your head around this because you can really play with this and you can get some really nice things going. I'm just going to give you a demonstration thing. Again, nice bass. That's the sort of thing you can get into. Now you can use your imagination if you want to. You can kind of go around the kit. And so forth. So you can see the potential of that if you practice. But it does take practice. You can't play anything, any musical instrument, without practicing. Okay, that's single strokes. Now, the other rhythm I wanted to cover today is double strokes. Now, double strokes are so effective. And the way to practice double strokes is with single strokes. So you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's how you can practice double strokes, but you can practice them on their own. Most important, keep them open. I don't want this, we don't want, get a nice bounce, nice and even. Whoops. So you can see what you can actually do. But they sound great around the kit. So now you can mix the two together. So you've got and so forth. Now you can practice that around the kit. And so forth. So you know, play around with it, have some fun. I'm actually out of practice with my doubles, to be honest with you. I've just realised that now. But you can. Okay, so that's singles, doubles. The last one I want to talk about is the 5-stroke roll, which is brilliant. I love the 5-stroke roll, and that is basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we're starting with the left hand, so you've got left, left, right, right, left, right, right, left, left, right. Now again, you need to make that accent really big, and the other notes quite, you know, really quiet. So you've got. I mean, one of my favourite things is to play some 5-strokes off the hi-hat, if I can manage to do it. And so forth. Okay, I think that's quite enough for you to get on with today. Some really good practice. Now, I just want to slow that down a bit before you go. What I did off the high, it's just, that's all it is really. And that's a 9-stroke there. But you can play with doubles, and the 9th-stroke, by the way, is which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and with the left hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. In the next lesson, I'm going to cover 6-strokes, which I love. Okay, well, I think that's as much as I can cover today. I'm going to cover much more in the next lesson, so stay tuned. And if you're enjoying these free lessons forever, by the way, then please subscribe. Thanks for listening. Have a really nice day.